Vegas
Not really.
gets a Cybertruck police fleet, which I gotta say,
It's pretty cool.
I think those look pretty cool.
It is pretty.
As divisive as the Cybertruck is in appearance, at least.
I'm sure all this extra stuff really helps the efficiency.
Who knew? You threw all the stuff to cover up the Cybertruck and it looks better. No, but seriously, these look pretty cool. They have a fleet of 10 of these.
10.
10. They have a fleet of 10. So you see here, this was a ceremony where they, introduced all these vehicles to the Vegas police force. These actually integrate seamlessly with the drones that are already being used by the Vegas police force. You can see those.
Wow.
They work together so you can pursue, and if someone goes on foot, send the drone after him. And you can monitor the drone from the truck.
Wow, we're really getting to RoboCop, huh?
Right? Like, that's actually pretty freaking cool.
That is really cool.
Like, the future is now, Like, that's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Bomb disposal robots, and they're breaching robots, and the drones and Cybertrucks. So yeah, Las Vegas Metropolitan PD has deployed the world's first Cybertruck public safety fleet. 10 vehicles, fully equipped Cybertrucks have been assigned to their force. The vehicles have been outfitted by Unplugged Performance's Upfit division. They feature police electronics, lights, sirens, PA systems, the whole 9 yards. The computer system, they are police vehicles. They're going to be used for police work on the roads of Las Vegas. They include partitions for criminals in the back, people that are arrested, push bars, rock sliders, pursuit suspension, and brakes. So these things will be capable off and on road. They integrate with the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department's remote drone first responders. So these are their drone first responders. Each truck will reduce the police force's operating costs by $10,000 a year. Each truck. So that's $100,000 a year they're saving in fuel and maintenance costs. And they didn't have to pay a dime for them.
Oh, did Tesla just give it to him?
No, a billionaire tech entrepreneur donated them.
Oh.
It was pretty cool.
So Elon.
Who knows? Who knows who it was? No, it's billionaire tech entrepreneur Ben Horowitz donated the vehicles. Friend of the Las Vegas Police Department. I wish I had a friend that would give me 10 Cybertrucks. That'd be cool.
$1 million worth of Cybertrucks.
Yeah. Oh, easily. Yeah, I mean, each of those is $100,000 before you put anything on it.
Yeah, upfitted for another $100,000. Mm-hmm. Yeah, $2 million worth of Cybertrucks.
I don't know. I think they're pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think they're pretty neat.